Hello everybody, my name is Mykola and today I will show you an easy way to install chrome covers on humbuckers. I did it to my Gibson SG Special when I was upgrading it. So this is a small part of full video where I was changing different parts of my guitar. You can watch it following the link in the description. And now about humbuckers. First of all, you have to take off strings. To take off humbuckers, you have to take off a pickguard first. And then turn off the screws that secure humbuckers. Keep in mind that neck humbucker and bridge humbucker have different sizes, so covers have to be also different. My humbuckers fit pretty tight to the covers, but to secure them even more tight, I'm using silicone for bathrooms. This will be enough to hold covers, but also you will always be able to remove them easily. After silicone is dry, attaching humbuckers to the pickguard, putting on the spring first and then turning screws. Now placing back the pickguard. Humbucker covers secured humbuckers so well that they do not wobble anymore. The best thing in this way of installing covers on humbuckers is that you will be able to remove them easily if you'll change your mind, because I did not use a soldering iron. This is one of the most easiest upgrades you can make your own for your guitar. Leave a comment, subscribe to my channel and make rock, not war!